Okay, so this next problem, we're going to find the area of the region between the graphs of f of x is 3x cubed minus x squared minus 10x, and g of x is negative x squared plus 2x. So f of x, the red curve here, it goes like this. G of x is the green curve, goes like that. And we actually have two regions that we need to find the area of. So this is not the best quality graph right there, but we have intersections down here at the point -2, -8. We have another intersection at the origin 0, 0, and we have another intersection at the point 2, 0. So we actually have to do two separate integrals on this one. We're going to find this region right here. So that's going to be the integral from -2 to 0 of, let's see, the top curve is f of x, so it's going to be 3x cubed minus x squared minus 10x minus the green curve, which is negative x squared plus 2x dx. And then we're going to add to that this second region, and that's going to be the integral from 0 to 2. And this time the green curve is on top. So we're going to have negative x squared plus 2x minus f of x this time. It's going to be 3x cubed minus x squared minus 10x dx. Okay, so let's just take it one part at a time. We'll do this part right here. We'll do a little algebra to simplify this in the middle here. So we got the integral from -2 to 0. And let's see, this is plus, plus, and minus. So we'll combine our like terms. So we end up with 3x cubed. The x squareds cancel out. And I get minus 12x. Okay, and that's dx. And then we are going to add to that the integral from 0 to 2. We do the same thing over here. Okay, so we're going to get negative 3x cubed over here. Again, the x squared terms cancel out, and I get plus 12x dx over here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and integrate these. So this is going to be x to the fourth, and I'm going to need a 3/4 out here in front. And this is going to be minus 6x squared. And I'm going to evaluate that from -2 to 0. And I'm going to add to that. This should be the same thing over here except negative. So this is going to be negative 3/4 x to the fourth plus 6x squared evaluated from 0 to 2. Okay, so if I plug 0 in here, that's easy. That's just 0. Then it's going to be minus if I plug in -2 in here. So it's going to be 3/4 times -2 to the fourth power minus 6 times -2 squared. And then over here, I'm going to get negative 3/4 times 2 to the fourth power plus 6 times 2 squared. And then if I plug 0 in there, that's just going to be 0 again. So that's pretty easy. Okay, this answer is going to be negative. So it's going to be negative. This is 16. 3/4 of 16 is 12. Minus, that's 4 times 6 is 24. And then over here, I get negative 12 and I get plus 24. And so this is negative 12, but it's also negative in front, so this comes out to be positive 12 plus another 12. And so I get an area of 24 square units. And that wasn't too difficult at all.